Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Esports versus Yakult. We'll delve into their distinct purposes and contributions. Esports focuses on competitive gaming, fostering talent and entertainment in the esports world. Yakult, on the other hand, provides a health-oriented beverage, promoting digestive wellness globally. Understanding their core functions is key to evaluating their respective merits. Esports represents a significant player in the rapidly growing esports industry. They field teams in popular games, showcasing high-level competitive play. Their impact is primarily in entertainment and the development of professional gamers, attracting millions of viewers. This organization thrives on fan engagement and strategic partnerships within the digital sports landscape. Yakult is renowned for its focus on health and wellness, specifically digestive health. Each small bottle contains billions of live Lactobacillus paracasei bacteria, known to support gut flora balance. This product is a daily staple for many, aiming to improve overall well-being through a healthy digestive system. Its global reach highlights its widespread acceptance as a health supplement. Determining which is better truly depends on your perspective and priorities. If you seek entertainment, competitive excitement, or a career in gaming, Esports offers that value. If your focus is on daily health, particularly digestive wellness, then Yakult is the clear choice. Both are highly successful within their very different domains, serving distinct consumer needs effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.